Hello, and welcome to the HighpowerOne Access Control System tutorials. Quick Edit mode is used to quickly add, delete, bulk enroll, or bulk delete card ID numbers. Using this feature is like having 8 keypads controlled from one screen. A card added using this mode will work on a door or multiple doors at all times. To enter the Quick Edit ID facility, simply press the first button on the right side of the screen titled Quick Edit ID. The first mode of input is single card entry. The middle button on the bottom row should be red and shows the word single. Simply enter a card number using the blue keypad. As you type, the number pressed on the keypad appears in the text box. If you make a mistake, you can press the back arrow key to delete a single character or clear to start over. Once you have entered the card number, select the door or doors that the card should operate on at all times by pressing the door 1 through door 8 buttons, or all button if you wish to grant access to all doors. The buttons will change color from red to green for selected doors. Press enter to complete the process. A green message at the top of the screen will confirm the entry was successful. The second method of input is bulk enrollment. This method allows you to enroll a range of card ID numbers. First, press the entry mode button labeled single. Pressing this button will cause a change in color to green, and the text will now show the word bulk. Notice the second text box appeared on the screen. One thing to keep in mind is that the cards added in bulk must be in a sequence. Populate the top text box with the lowest ID number by entering that ID on the keypad. Then select the bottom text box and populate it with the highest number in the sequence. This will enroll all the card numbers in the sequence, including the 2 numbers typed in. The third method of input is name enrollment. It allows you to assign a person's name to a card ID number. Press the enrollment mode button until it says name and is blue in color. Enter the card number into the first text box, then press the second one. After pressing the second entry box, a keyboard will pop up on the screen and allow you to enter a person's name. When you are finished entering the name, press anywhere on the screen or the X button on the keyboard and the keyboard will disappear. Press enter to complete the card enrollment. When a name is assigned to a card, the event log will display the cardholder's name next to the ID number. If you have already enrolled a card and want to add the name later, this can be done with the Credential Management facility. In the Credential Management, find the previously added card number and select it. Type in the person's name in the text box at the top of the screen and then press the Change Username button. This will assign the name to the card ID. Since we are already showing the Credential Management screen, I can point out that the credentials can be deleted using this screen. Select the user you wish to delete and press the Remove User button. You can also delete a card ID from the Quick Edit ID screen. After entering a card number, leaving all doors unselected is a delete mode of operation. To delete a card ID, unselect all doors, enter the card number, and then press Enter. The message will pop up on the screen, warning you that you are about to remove a credential. Press Delete to complete the process. Bulk deleting is done the same way as bulk enrollment. First, change the enrollment mode to bulk mode. Type in the lowest and the highest number in a sequence you intend to delete into the text boxes. Do not select any doors and press Enter. At the warning, press the Bulk Delete button to complete the action. Bulk deleting is a very destructive process. Be careful when entering your range of numbers. The most common misunderstanding with using the quick edit mode occurs when the card is already enrolled and you want to modify the doors it has access to. When you re-add a card, the operation will overwrite the existing settings for that card ID. For example, if the card 170 already works with door 1, and we select only door 2 when rewriting it, it would stop working with door 1 and only work on door 2. If we want the card to work with doors 1 and 2, we would have to select both doors when overwriting a credential. The overwriting feature provides security in that the last doors selected are the current permission level of that ID. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please send them to the email displaying on the screen.